Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in ChatGPT without phone number. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can access your ChatGPT by opening up a web browser on your device and typing in chat.openai.com. Now, in order to log into your existing account, you'll need to tap on the login button. If you don't have an account, you'll need to tap on the sign up button and follow through the sign up process. Remember that while creating your account on ChatGPT, you will not be able to create an account without a phone number. Even if you try using a temporary phone number, it might not work since it'll need a genuine phone number to create a new account. If you've already created an account, then you can log into your account by simply entering your email address and password. Remember that you will not need to enter your phone number in order to log into your existing ChatGPT account. In the email address text box under login, go ahead and type in your email associated with ChatGPT. After you are done with it, tap on the continue button. Now, enter your password on the next field and make sure to enter the correct password for your ChatGPT account. After you are done with it, tap on the continue button and you'll be able to log into ChatGPT without entering your phone number. That is how you'll be able to log into ChatGPT without phone number. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.